The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. We have all the dimensions here. Here will be the midpoint. So we'll create these lines here and put the dimensions, okay? So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here. Okay, now go to dimensions. The length here 100 millimeters. This line here has 8 millimeters. This one has 25. And here we have 25. We made this. Okay. Now leave the sketch. Go to page features. The length here is 50 millimeters. And select symmetric to plane and press OK. We made this, okay. We can add some color here. Click with the right button, random color, okay. We made this. Now we needed to create this hole here with 20 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge here is 55 millimeters, and it is in the center of this face, okay? Between these two edges here is in the center. I will change this color a little bit. Okay. Go to select this face here and go to create a sketch. Let me rotate this a little bit. Select the circle, make a circle here in this line with 20 millimeters of diameter, and go to dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. We made this, okay. Now leave the sketch and go to pocket. And the type here, select it through all. This hole is through all this body here. And press OK. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.